The iVision vehicles have long been a way for BMW to show off technology and topics that could potentially make their way into production vehicles. With the BMW iVision DEE, what the automaker is showing off is e-ink, augmented reality, and a virtual assistant that could be your friend or at least a sassy companion.
A sassy companion.
The D, the DEE, stands for Digital Emotional Experience. With the exterior, what BMW is showing off is e-ink that can be used to adjust the design of the vehicle. Here in the front, you can see it has little eyeballs, or you can just take this, make it all black, make it all white. You can add little graphics to it. That way, as you're driving down the road, maybe on Monday it looks like this, on Thursday it looks like this. What's especially notable is the BMW kidney grille is a long-time design element of the brand, and here it's being used as a display since the EV has no need for the ventilation the grille offers up to a gas-powered vehicle. Also, it's way smaller than what we've seen on newer BMWs. Over here on the side, on the shoulder line, you have the same sort of e-ink system where right now it has these nice little slices, but if this comes into production, you could change this to potentially have your name or another design element or your favorite football team or your Instagram account. Back here in the rear of the vehicle, like the front, you can use it to adjust the design of the vehicle. And currently, we're only seeing it with black and white, but there is potential for color e-ink on a future vehicle. Overall, the exterior design of the iVision DEE harkens back to BMW's design language of the past. That said, if BMW does decide to put something that looks like this on the road, even without all the fancy tech, expect enthusiasts to lose their minds while simultaneously emptying their wallets. The side windows here on the iVision are actually displays, and as you approach the vehicle, it can show your avatar, and as you can tell, my avatar has been working out while I have, in the real world, not.
I think you still look fabulous.
Thank you, Dee. Here inside the vehicle, the entire windshield is essentially an augmented reality display. BMW says it can show from 2 inches up to 9.5 inches of the windshield having something projected onto it. It can have anywhere from just the dash cluster information, how fast you're going, how much charge you have, all the way up to having a system where you're driving in an augmented reality world. You're driving in a completely different world while you're behind the wheel. Also, the windows can be dimmed to block out the real world or used as additional displays in conjunction with the windshield for the augmented and virtual reality worlds. The system has 5 levels of interaction. Level 1 is essentially just the bare minimum of what you need while you're driving, and then it goes all the way up to level 5. Up to level 4, you can have augmented reality, where you see things augmented onto the real world. But level 5 is actual virtual reality, where you're driving in a virtual world. Now, before you get all upset that BMW is going to put a car out there with virtual reality in the windshield, this is not something that's going to be coming to market probably ever, or definitely not anytime soon. This is definitely just showcasing what can be done with a vehicle. What this vehicle is really showcasing is a system that can be used without the driver having to take their hands off their wheel or their eyes off the road. The voice assistant takes care of the controls while the head-up display shows the driver everything that's happening in the vehicle. Sure, it's overkill here, but a robust head-up display could be a game changer if done correctly. So comes the big question, I'm sure is on everyone's mind, is when can I buy this car? Well, you can't. Unfortunately, it's an iVision vehicle. It is not coming to market, but the design elements you see here on this vehicle will likely make their way into future BMWs. For more automotive coverage from CES next to, well, a very friendly but sassy car, be sure to subscribe to Engadget.
BMW, it should be DMW.